Hello, my name is Alejandro Castillo, and in the next video I will talk about eagles. Eagles belong to a group of birds called raptor. They are amazing, powerful predators with sharp eyesight, light bodies, and soaring wings. Eagles use their dagger beaks and sharp talons to hunt fish, snakes, frogs, mm, birds, and small mammals. They are some of the world's largest birds of hunting. There are 59 different kinds of eagles on Earth, and they live in every environment except the polar regions of Antarctica. And the majority of the world's eagles soar in the skies over Russia, and Europe. Mm, Two species live in North America and two in South America. Scientists organize eagles into four main groups: harpy eagles, serpent or butted eagles, and fish or sea eagles. Two of the largest eagles are the Philippine eagle and the harpy eagle of tropical South America. Each can weigh more than 9 kilograms and have wings that spread 2 meters. Discovery of a lifetime: a lost eagle. On November 3, in 1993, American scientist Russell Thorstrom was walking through the tropical forest of Madagascar when he spotted one of the six rarest birds in the world. It was a Madagascar serpent eagle, a species that hadn't been seen in 60 years. However, the nation of 14 million people, who are known as Magalishis, is very pure. In their struggle to survive, the Magalishis have logged and cleared much of their national forest, destroying a critical habitat for the serpent eagle. When Thorstrom and other biologists returned to the site a few weeks later, they found nearby forest being burned by local farmers, and no sign of the eagle. However, more recently researchers have discovered 15 eagles at 9 locations. In 2006, they discovered the first Madagascar shepherd eagle nest.